Hello people, anything wey you dey do for this life, make sure say you do it making dey very okay. Hold your certificate, you understand, hold your receipt. I dey always tell people, if na land you buy, say the person say make him give you for free, make sure say the person give you receipt, because that free hold at times when you don build something inside finish, na that time you go know say nothing like free something for this life. Okay, now so it can't happen. Say federal government don't come out, cause say make dem award the people wey get receipt in all the things wey dem dey do. You understand? Not be only that, so people wey sabi, wey know wetin dem dey do in terms of work. You know, say get some companies where you go, if na medicine dem dey produce, you understand, like all this paracetamol, you go find out say some of their products no good at all, or some of their products don't expire. So now all these people